All right, friends, this is how MFX Close Friends works. I'm just going to show you literally everything, like how I call trades out. It's pretty simple. So this was on Friday. This was our last week. I made 40 grand last week trading. So it's about 8 units of profit because I risk about 5K per trade. Here's how I do it. So this was this morning. You can see at 7:45 a.m. I put USD CADs ready for longs. Broken out of this lower time frame sort of downtrend. I'm long USD CAD with an 11 lot size, 60 pip invalidation, and a 5K risk. What that means is that I go into the trade with an 11 standard lot size. That's what that means whenever I say 11 lot size. 60 pip invalidation, that's the distance from the entry to the point of where the trading idea becomes invalidated. A lot of people put a stop loss there. I typically don't set hard stops most of the time, so just to make it not confusing, I don't call it stop loss, I just call it the invalidation point. So just the point the trading idea invalidates. Then you use that 60 pip invalidation, like I use that to calculate my risk. So I go to a position size calculator, I'll risk $5,000 and I'll type in the currency pair USD CAD and I'll type into 60 pip risk from the entry to the point of invalidation. That gives me my lot size, 11 standard lots. I will always call this out for every single trade with the lot size, the invalidation distance in pips, and also the dollar amount risk. And then I put a screenshot of the actual chart terminal to show that I've entered it, and then a screenshot of the actual trading terminal so you can see the account balance, equity, and then all the open trades. The terminal will be the last thing always in the index analysis channel. That way, whenever you're here in the Discord server, you can always see what trades I'm in by just going and open up index analysis. It'll always be on the bottom, and if my terminal is empty, it'll be there. So here's another one I called USD/JPY this morning. So right, uptrend and a bounce of support. I just call the reasons out, show the trading view analysis. Then I show the screenshot for the chart and a screenshot of the terminal. You'll see there's USD CAD there as well as USD/JPY now. And then I do the same shit. So you see this. I'm long USD/JPY with a 12.5 lot size, 60 pip inval, and a 5K risk. So it's just the same shit over and over. And then whenever I add, you'll see I've added to USD/JPY here. So I added there. I put a screenshot. And then I put it right here, added to UJ and UC. So this was USD/JPY, I had a screenshot. This is USD CAD and I had a screenshot. Then I added to them, and you can see where I add and the lot size I add all in the chart screenshots. That's why I literally just show the screenshots of the actual fucking trading terminal. That way you see exactly what I'm doing. Then I screenshot the actual terminal here. That way you can see the open trades. I added again to USD/JPY a third time. So I showed the chart image, the terminal. Then I put today, I'm closing everything here at 1:50 p.m. So about 2 hours ago. It was just under a $7,000 profit after commissions. So about 1.5 units of risk or so, a little bit under that. And then I'll post the actual thing, like right where I closed it, the P&L. So here it is, it's about 7K minus commissions. And then I'll always put the terminal, no open trades. So you can see there's the terminal, there's no open trades, there's the account balance, equity and everything, and then just that. But the last thing in here, see, this is it. It's always going to be my terminal. That way you can instantly see which trades I'm currently in by just going in there. This is to help you learn trading. It's to help you see like why I enter trades that I take, how I manage them, how the risk is structured. We go back here earlier to this month. It's loading right now, but you can see as the account grows, like this is when it was at like 90K. So this was last week. That's what I call that Euro CAD trade right there. That one stopped. That was the last one. So that was a day I won 2 trades and lost 1. Made 6K that day. And then I post everything. Post the chart terminal, the terminal. You can see that this time the account was at 87,000. Here's where the next set of trades, right? I'm long AUD CAD, 40 lots, 20 pip inval, a little over 5K risk. That went into profit. Show the chart terminal. I put closing AUD CAD right here. Then I showed the terminal here. So it's just the same shit over and over. I literally just share every single thing that I do. It's right here in Nick's analysis. You can also ask me anything here in the Ask Nick Anything server here in the Discord. And then people ask me tons of questions. I get like dozens of questions every day. I give you guys thoughtful responses that with plenty of detail in order to make sure that everybody's getting their questions answered. If it requires a lot of questions to be answered from me personally, then what I do is I just literally go and record a fucking YouTube video and just make that whole YouTube video just out of everyone's responses. Sometimes the videos are like 30 minutes long and I'll go answer everyone's questions. And then I will also, just respond to everyone there. Sometimes I'll do like audio messages. Most of the time it's just I respond in texts. But if there's something where someone needs a little bit more like information, like then I'll go into a little bit more detail, sometimes do like an audio message or a YouTube video. And then we have the main chat where we're always chatting. It's really fucking active. There's a lot of active people in here. It's a really active community. We've got almost 400 members right now. I think we're approaching 400 members right now, and it's really popping. So if you want to sort of increase, kind of speed up your path to profitability and try to make it happen a little bit quicker, Mission FX Close Friends is a great place to do it. It's one of the only spots where you can literally talk to your fucking mentor right here in the chat. You can just literally, it's a server called Ask Me Anything. At any time you can post in here, and then whenever I see your message and have time to respond, I respond. It's normally within a few hours unless I'm asleep or something like that, or it's like late in the evening. So yeah, you get plenty of help, you get plenty of support, you can follow everything I do. You have a group chat with a bunch of people in the community, all trading essentially like we're all focused around the same approach. It's just pretty much support resistance, simple stuff. So if you'd like to join, hit the link below, get started. I'd love to see a lot of you guys in there. Cheers.